Hello everybody, in this tutorial we're gonna go ahead and actually download and install the Genymotion, which is an alternative for the Android regular emulator. So first we need to actually go to the web browser, open your web browser and just type in download Genymotion, okay, and then press on enter. And then we need to actually just click on the first link, Genymotion fast and easy Android emulation, or just type in www.genymotion.com. Okay, and as you can see here, this is the main page of the genymotion.com. And first we need to sign into our account before we download the Genymotion. Here we need to create an account if you don't have one. And as you can see, we need to type in our username, our email address, password. For the company size, just choose personal use, and for the usage type, choose development, okay? And then accept terms of the privacy statement and create an account. Then we need to actually sign into our account. So just type in your username, your password, and sign in. And then it's gonna open a web page for us. We need to go back to the main page, so just click on the Genymotion link and scroll down the page, and where it says actually get the Genymotion now, okay, as you can see here, click on the individual tab and then click on the get started in the basic section, okay, get started. And here, as you can see, these are the different download links for downloading the Genymotion for different platforms. For example, if you have got a Mac OS 6 like me, just download the Genymotion from this link. And then if you have got a Windows machine, these are the two options for you. If you have got the VirtualBox installed on your machine, you just need to download the Genymotion plus without the VirtualBox, as you can see the second link. But if you don't have the VirtualBox installed on your machine, you need to download the Genymotion plus the VirtualBox from the first link, okay? As you can see here, these are the two options for you, so that you can decide which one is the best option for you according to your machine, okay? And then these are the actually download links for the Linux machine. If you have got Ubuntu 14.10 and older, the first link is for 32-bit operating systems, and the second link actually, as you can see here, the second link is for 64-bit operating systems for Ubuntu 14.10 and older, okay? And then for Ubuntu 15.04 and newer, this is the third link that is for 64-bit operating systems. So for Mac users or Linux machines, just downloading the Genymotion is not enough. We need to actually download the VirtualBox separately, okay? So after downloading the Genymotion, we need to go ahead and download the VirtualBox for our Mac OS 6. So I just create a new tab and just type in download VirtualBox, and then it's gonna open a web page where we can actually download the VirtualBox for our specific platform. Okay, now as you can see, I just want to mention again that for Windows machines, you have got an option for machines that have got the VirtualBox installed on, and for the machines that have got the VirtualBox that you don't have the VirtualBox installed on it, okay? And here, as you can see, just click on the first link, downloads-oracle VM VirtualBox, or just type in www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Okay, now I need to here just refresh the page. Okay, and I need to click on the first link again, and then as you can see, it's gonna open up a page for us. So and here, as you can see, these are the different download links for VirtualBox. If you have got the VirtualBox installed on your machine, you need to actually download the extension pack, as you can see here, for your platform. But if you don't have the VirtualBox installed on your machine, and these are the download links for you. For example, if you have got a Windows machine, this is the download link for you. And if you have got a Mac OS X, this is the download link. For Linux machines, as you can see here, and for Solaris. Okay. And then we need to actually installing the VirtualBox in our systems. So I have already downloaded the VirtualBox and installed it. It's pretty easy. You just need to actually click on the virtualbox.pkg and install it. You don't have any problems just installing it. And then first I need to actually eject the VirtualBox. Just double click on it, or right click on the VirtualBox and eject VirtualBox. Okay, and then we need to actually install the Genymotion in our system. So just click on the DNG file, and then we need to drag the Genymotion file to the applications folder, and then the Genymotion shell to the applications folder. Okay, first as you can see, it's copy pasting the Genymotion to my application folder, and then the Genymotion shell to the applications folder. And then we need to double click on the Genymotion. So just double click on it. And then as you can see here, it's gonna show us some pop-up. So just click on open. And then here we see that it's gonna show us a pop-up that says usage notice. We need to just accept it. This is the free version of Genymotion. It's restricted to personal use only. So just accept it. And here it says you don't have any virtual device yet. Do you want to add a new one? Yes, why not? So just click on yes. And then we need to sign in to our account. So just type in your credentials, your username and password, because it's very necessary for entering your credentials. So just type in your username, and then we need to enter our password. Okay, password, and then click on sign in. Okay, so just wait for a minute, and then it's going to show us the available virtual devices. So we need to actually download and install a device that has got the API 23 or Android 6.0 installed on it. Okay, there are a lot of options for you. I choose to actually download the Google Nexus 9 6.0, the Android version, and the API 23. Okay, you can actually download and install the Google Nexus 5X that has got the API 23, and the Android version is 6.0. So here is the actually information about my virtual device. As you can see, description, system version, and this is the very important information. Android version must be 6.0 for our course, and screen size density, and then memory size, number of CPUs, data disk capacity, and other options. Okay, and other information. Just click on next, and then when it's done downloading the virtual device, you just need to click on finish and then start the virtual device. As you can see, I'm gonna actually show you the device when it's running. Okay, now as you can see, it's gonna actually run the device, and it's gonna configure the device for us. This is a very fast emulator for Android development, so I strongly suggest that you use it. And as you can see, this is our emulator ready to use. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run your application on this emulator. Thanks for watching.